Guys, today I am starting off with a True 32 from the Steel Magnolia. I have the top section painted white and I'm just going over the top with neon pink from Pop of Color. If you have a bright pink spray paint, you can also use that. I took my tumbler outside and spray painted the bottom black and slightly ombre that up and over the curve. Now mix up a little bit of epoxy and apply it thinly to your cup. I prefer the epoxy method for my ombres. It gives you a longer working time where you can be a little bit more precise. Spray adhesive and Mod Podge dries quicker, so it's just a little bit more difficult. We're going to start off by applying the black around the bottom rim, and we're just going to place this on really heavily, not worrying about ombreing at all. This is my all-time favorite fine black from my shop called Formal. Now we're going to take the pink called It's Electric. This is from my Neon series. It's my all-time favorite hot pink. And we're just going to go around the top rim, placing that on really heavily. Once again, not worrying about our ombre. We now are just left with the epoxy in the center. I'm going to go back to my black glitter here, hold my cup at a very steep angle, tap the cup that the glitter is in, or the jar, whatever you have. I like to just take my lid off my jar also, but we're just going to tap and turn and let that glitter cascade down your tumbler. We are not going for full coverage here. We are just starting the ombre process, so just apply it lightly. Now moving on to our pink, we will be doing the same thing, tilting our cup at a steep angle, tapping the jar and just letting it cascade down the cup. Once again, you're not looking for full coverage here. We're just going to go back and forth with the black and pink until you get a nice, soft, beautiful blend. Once your epoxy has cured, you're going to want to spray seal this cup with some clear sealer really well, and then you're going to add a coat of epoxy. Once your cup is all smooth, you can go ahead and add your decal. I did an offset in holographic vinyl, and then I did a print and cut with this Be Happy sublimation print that I found. The Be Happy actually was a huge pain in the butt and I couldn't get it to cut correctly. I almost gave up on it, but I'm glad I didn't because I think it's a perfect fit for this cup. And here is the tumbler all finished. I think blending a lighter and darker color can be extremely difficult, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you would like more tips and tricks, join my Facebook group with the link in the description. And if you would like more intermediate to advanced tutorials, I offer exclusive tutorials to my Patreon group, and that link will also be in the description. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to look for me on all other social media platforms under Diamonds and Dust.